Hey, it's Ryan from UpfitSupply.com, and in this video we're going to be unboxing some TigerTough seat covers for Ram 1500 pickups. Let's get into it. All right, this happens to be the seat covers for, I believe, 2019 and later Ram 1500 with the bucket seats. Now, they do make them for other model years as well as for the bench seats, but this happens to be for the bucket seats up front. These are sold by the row, so you're gonna get the driver's side and the passenger side in this. You have a nice tear away bag right here. Also has kind of the pre-adhesive in case of needing to return this. Well, as I pull this out, you can see we do have a specialty print here. This is the Urban Viper. It's also available in Western Viper, as well as a Snow Conceal, DRT, and a Kanadi print. Those are gonna be the specialty prints. Most common is going to be ordered in gray, black, and tan, but we do offer the specialty prints, especially for the pickup trucks right here. Now, I noticed right here we do have installation instructions. This is specific for this particular part number. We do have a QR code there for videos. We're going to be installing this on our Ram 1500 as well, so if you're interested in that, be sure to check out that video. We have that 2-year unconditional warranty from TigerTough. They're really good about this. Anything happens to the seat cover for whatever reason, you're gonna be covered. And then we do have our photo full color installation guide on how to install this in your particular truck. Now, they make this for all the major truck models as well as the vans. There's just some nuance from vehicle to vehicle depending on the type of seats that you have. If you're doing the front row, you're doing the rear row. If you've got bucket seats, bench seats, and some other configurations, like if there's lumbar support or some of those things, there might be specific cuts of these seat covers. Because these are a precision fit seat cover, they fit very tight, almost looks like a factory seat cover, just with how tight it is on the vehicle. So as we go through the items here, we do have our seat bottoms. Again, this is the Urban Viper pattern here. You can see on the back we do have this orange string lock is what they call it, and this is just used for these 2 strings here to give you a nice leveraged, secure fastening of that line to keep this from shifting on the seat. But I believe we also have one thing TigerTough does that's nice is if it is side specific, they will label it. So the seat bottoms must work on both the driver's side and the passenger side. So they did not label that. It's going to work on either side. And we have our second seat bottom here as well. Again, the string lock. We do have Velcro pieces right here that are going to be used for going through the seat, the back of the seat, and attaching with Velcro. And then it looks like there's another side of Velcro right here for maybe the top of the seat cover is going to connect on there. You have headrest covers. Another nice thing that TigerTough provides is the cover for the headrests. This is also going to be a nice tight fit on the seat as well. We have 2 of them, driver's and passenger side. And then this is going to be our seat back. And this is going to be side specific. It is labeled right here. You can see that does say driver on this side. It looks like we do have that additional flap that I was talking about. This is going to actually cover over the back opening between the bottom and the seat back and attach to your seat bottom. So you're gonna have a nice seamless look behind the seat. You can see we do have our airbag label right here with our special white stitching. So this is designed to tear away in the event that the airbag deploys, giving you all of the safety features that your vehicle has. The TigerTough label right here. I have cutouts for our headrests. Let's see if there's any specific cutouts on here. Sometimes they have them if there's like lumbar support or there's something like that, but it doesn't look like there's anything on this cover for that. And then we're going to have, again, this will be labeled for the passenger side right here. And again, it's going to be a Velcro cover. Again, we're going to have our airbag stitching and label. This is going to go over the factory airbag. TigerTough logo is kind of on that same location. And there you go, everything that you need. Now, The TigerTough seat covers are made out of a 1000 denier Cordura. Not sure if I'm pronouncing that correctly, but it's kind of a military grade fabric. It's super strong, basically tear resistant, it's weather resistant, you know, gonna repel moisture and anything like that. They're super easy to clean. So if you spill something on the seat cover, super easy to clean it out of the cover. It's also gonna protect the actual seat itself, which is the primary reason that you're gonna get these seat covers. TigerTough's big thing, they say seat covers that work, but really there's emphasis on the work. They focus on work trucks, work vans, even seat covers for like excavators and some of those things that people who are working use. And so these are really to protect the vehicle from that modern tradesperson who has a tool belt on or something like that that will wear away at the factory seats. And this is going to protect the vehicle and also gives you a nice clean look if you want to go with one of these specialty patterns. So again, this is for the Ram 1500. Make sure that you're looking at all those different questions it'll ask you when making your purchase. Make sure you get the exact seat cover for your vehicle, because these are not universal. It's not a one size fits all. It's going to be specific to your year, make, model, as well as some of the other nuances that come with the seats. Now, if you're interested in these seat covers or any other equipment to get your truck or van ready for work, be sure to check us out at upfitsupply.com. Again, my name is Ryan. Have a good one.